Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear teachers, students, and aspirants, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are fine. Dear aspirants, teachers, and students, I hope that you have already watched the video number 1 and video number 2 for vocabulary development program. Practice 10 words a day. If not, please watch those videos. They are very beneficial for your learning, teaching, and appearing in competitive exams and all types of jobs related exams. Dear aspirants, teachers, and students, today's 10 words will start with Shakespeare's quotations. Shakespeare says, "My words fly up, and thought remains below. Words without thought, not to heaven go." So, try to make or put your thought into your word and be familiar with your words and try to use them in your daily conversation and writing. Inshallah, you will go ahead. So, let's start today's 10 words practice. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Abstruse, पचीदा मुश्किल. Meaning in English, disgusting, difficult, complex, hard to understand, obscure. Antonym, simple, clear, easy. Sentence, the lesson was abstruse. Abundance, kasrat fravani. Meaning in English, plenty, richness, profusion, ample, supply. Antonym, scarcity, shortage, lack. Sentence, the garden has an abundance of flowers. Abysmal, इंतहाई बुरा, निहायत गहरा. Meaning, ill, terrible, dreadful, extremely bad, profound. Antonym, excellent, wonderful, outstanding. Sentence, the team's performance was abysmal. Acclaim, तारीफ करना, सुराहना. Meaning, praise, applaud, comment, appreciate. Antonyms, criticize, condemn, blame. Sentence, the teacher acclaimed her success. Acclamation, पुरजोश तारीफ, जबरदस्त मंजूरी. Meaning, enthusiastic approval, applause, ovation, public praise. Antonym, disapproval, criticism, rejection. Sentence, the winner received loud acclamation. Acclimation, माहौल से हम आंग होना. Meaning, adaptation, adjustment, getting used to. Antonyms, maladjusted, resistance. Sentence, acclimation to the new climate took time. Acclivity, चढ़ाई, ढलवान ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ाई. Meaning, upslope of a hill, ascent, upward slope, incline. Antonym, decline, descent. Sentence, they climbed the steep acclivity. Accolade, others, azazi, inam. Honor, award, praise, recognition. Antonym, dishonor, disgrace. Sentence, she received an accolade for her work. Accomplice, जुर्म में शरीक साथी. Companion in crime, partner in crime, associate. Antonyms, opponent, victim, law abiding person. Sentence: the police arrested the thief and his accomplice. Accredited: taslim shuda, manzoor shuda, meaning approved, certified, authorized, recognized. Antonym: rejected, unauthorized. Sentence: he studied at an accredited college. I hope that you will practice these words in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching and connecting with me.